Okay, so another purse. This is going to be a crossbody purse, and yes, it is another leaf purse. But this one I wanted to make a little bit nicer, so I'm using some nicer leather for the body, some nicer leather for the leaf. Gonna make this look a little bit more not so in your face like it's a leaf, but it's a little bit more subtle. But yeah, so I have the pattern here. This is gonna be the back side. Here's the front where you're gonna put the type of enclosure. I have the middle gusset or sides, whatever you want to call it. Make sure this one does come in two pieces, so you're gonna want to make sure that the scissors and the lines line up when you put it together. Yeah, so put these together. This is the leaf. This is going to go on top of here. This little circle here's for the enclosure. It's going to go under this one, but I already got this piece goes there. And there's the little loop to put the strap through. And I also got the side keepers. These go here. There's little lines just as guides. So you can tell I have them already cut out, punched out. I have 1/4 inch D-rings. They're 1 inch, 1 inch wide keepers here. And sorry, not 1/4 inch, 3/4 width, 3/4 inch width D-rings. Okay. And I just cut a little notch in there, and you'll see that in the pattern. So those are getting ready to set up, so I can stitch those here and get this stitched onto here. And this is the top flap. This is going to fold over this piece here and then go through. So I got them punched out. I'm going to get first I'm going to start with getting the keepers put into place here and here. Getting this, I'm actually going to put it, instead of putting it on top and then having the leaf over the top, sandwiching like that, I thought it might look kind of weird, just as far as like displacement and gaps and stuff. So I'm actually going to put this below the flap like that, and then the leaf is going to go on top like that. Okay, so I'm going to start getting some of these pieces put together. I also have my Tokeno ready, my little burnisher here, to get things cleaned up, the edges and whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to take it from there and get these little pieces put together and then show you how it looks. Okay, so here's the progress so far. I got the side pieces done with the little keepers for the crossbody straps. I got the front put on to the front panel. And I also got the back panel stitched to the side piece here. You can see the little sutures or stitch holders, positioners, whatever you call them. I got these set up for the top panel. I also have the top flap here with the little piece that's going to go, it's going to go through there, right? Like that. Anyway. So yeah, I got that underneath, and I got the leaf stitched to the top. And I used a couple of different colors here of brown. So I got the darker brown here. I got the leaf is like more of a reddish brown. And then the thread I'm using in the body and on the leaf is an even lighter reddish brown. And it was this right here. I think it's called Havana Cigar, or Havana brown, through tiger thread. So that's what I used, I'm using for this piece. I like the color contrast of the thread and the different browns, and that's why I used it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this, stitching this piece to the side, and then I'm going to work on stitching the top flap here to the back panel. And then I'll work on getting the straps done. But yeah, it's looking good. I like the kind of the oval shape of the purse. Plenty of room inside. I can't really see right now, but yeah, it's a good size crossbody purse. Okay, once I get these things done, I'll show you how it looks. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, so here it is finished. Got the back done with the stitching along here to attach the top flap to the back panel, and then I ran the tab through the front, and it came together really well. Let me pull this open and can show you. So there's the inside. See how well you can see that. But there's plenty of room in there for whatever. But yeah, then I got the straps done, and I just used a strap cutter to cut this out of the same as the body, but the straps have a little bit more character, and there's a little bit of pull up too, as you can see when you just stretch it like that. There's some pull up that you can just rub it away and it looks really nice. So I'm going to get some more glamour shots of this, but I also beveled and burnished the edges around here on the sides to make it look nice. It got a little darker with the tokenol, so that looks nice. I still need to do the same thing for the strap, just to get rid of some of the fuzzy, and burnish the sides so it makes it look nice. But yeah, I think it came out well. It's a really easy design. I think probably the hardest part is going to be cutting out the maple leaf, and then all these stitches. If you want to do it, you don't have to, of course. All these stitches are optional. So this is the maple leaf top. The bonus that's going to come with the pattern is just a regular rounded top. So in case you don't want this, a maple leaf bag or crossbody purse, you can just have a regular oval. It'll be still the same. Everything will be the same except for the top flap right here. So there won't be this, and this piece will be different. The little strap here will be the same, everything else, but there won't be a leaf, and this will be shaped different, and you'll see that on the pattern. Okay, so I need to get some glamour shots of this thing and somebody to model it for me, and we'll be done. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Join my Facebook page, Simple Good Leather, if you have any questions, and share your pictures on there, or share them with me on my Etsy. All right, see you next time.